Welcome, today I'm with Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earphones, and I will show you how you can check serial number of this earbud. So we get two methods. The first one, and probably the most fastest, we have to grab our charging case, and let me just zoom in a little bit to show you how it looks. Okay, and there it is. The serial number we can find in this place. We can also find other stuff like model, for example. And yeah, we can make it on the case, but also we can grab the box, the original box, and you will find at the bottom, right here in this place, the serial number. As you can see, it appears this right here, and it's the same with this one on the case, so we can just make a small comparison between them. And yeah, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.